Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE dishwasher door cable and spring kit. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door cables, the door springs, the roller, and the shoulder bolt. The door cable and spring kit helps the dishwasher door open and close smoothly. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's failed and the door's not opening and closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. First thing we're going to do is go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line and the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First, we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off, and then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down, and then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we're going to open up the dishwasher door. Use the Phillip screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Now that we have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the door and use it to carefully pull the dishwasher out a little bit. Once you have it started, you can grab the frame and pull it out the rest of the way. Now that we have the dishwasher pulled out, we have access to the spring and the cable. This kit replaces a lot of different designs, so you just have to see what you have and then change it out. You may have the wishbone style that goes from the hinge to the spring, and then the spring goes to the center of the frame here, but there's no roller. Or if you have the kite pulley like we have, and there's also a real narrow, thin, single pulley cable. Whichever style you have, you're going to change out the cables and the springs, and if you have the wishbone design, you're going to put the roller in on the left-hand side. No matter what style you have, we're going to take the spring off the frame. You just have to stretch it out and unhook it. And then if you have the wishbone style, you can just unhook it from the hinge. Otherwise, take the cable out from the roller and then unhook it. Once you have them off, we can go around and do the other side. The other side comes off the same way. You just have to unhook it from the frame and then get the cable off the roller and then unhook it from the hinge. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old door springs and cables. Next to the new door cable and spring kit, if you have the wishbone design, you're going to have to use the roller and the shaft to route the new cable. We don't have that, but we'll show you how it goes in. Now we're going to put the new horseshoe crab style cable onto the pulley. If you have problems getting it on, you can open up the door a little bit and then link it on. Once you have it in place, we're going to route it underneath the pulley. Then we're going to grab the new spring and hook it into the other end of the cable. And then we're going to hook the spring into the frame in the back. Once you have this set on, we can do the other side. If you have the wishbone style link, you're just going to have a hole right here. And you're going to take the 1/4" nut driver and screw this into the hole so you have a pulley when you put the new cable style on. If you already had the pulley, you're not going to use this, and you can just throw it away. Once you have that figured out, we're going to hook the cable onto this side. Same as on the other side. If you have to open up the door to make more room, you can. Just make sure you don't drop the door. Once you have it hooked on, you can close the door again, route it underneath the pulley, hook the door cable on, and then hook it into the back frame. Once you have the kit installed, we can put the dishwasher back in the cabinets. Now we have to reach underneath and put the lines through the cabinets. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway. Then we can go underneath the sink and pull on the lines to make sure they're not caught on anything. Then we can push the dishwasher in the rest of the way. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16" nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8" wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines reconnected underneath the sink, we're going to open up the dishwasher door. Use the Phillip screwdriver to put in the screws to hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Now that we have the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.